Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get XRP tag on Trust Wallet full guide. Open Trust Wallet, select XRP, and tap Receive to reveal the deposit address and destination tag. Copy both the address and the tag exactly into the exchange or sender form. Always double-check the tag before sending to avoid lost funds, and only use the address shown in your app for the specific transaction. To find the destination tag, open Trust Wallet, tap XRP, then choose Receive to view the detailed deposit info. The app shows an XRP address and a separate destination tag that you must include when withdrawing from exchanges. Copy both values carefully and confirm they match the receiver's instructions. If the tag field is optional for a counterparty, double-check with their support before sending to prevent lost or delayed funds in the system. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: I keep an Owala water bottle nearby while I manage crypto because staying hydrated helps me focus during transfers. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one too. Thanks for the support, it really helps the channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. A common mistake is omitting the destination tag when the receiver requires it, which can result in uncredited XRP or manual recovery delays. Always copy both the address and the tag exactly, and confirm the tag with the sending platform before initiating a transfer. If you notice any discrepancy, pause the transaction and contact support to avoid costly errors. Keeping small test transfers can reduce risk when using a new recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.